Hi there, my name is Mike Rubano. I am a market and customer activation manager for Henkel under the LOCTITE brand. I work very closely with our sales teams to make sure that they have the assets and materials that they need to be able to help our customers to the best of their ability. We're here at MINExpo 2024, and we have partnered with Visao to make a mining map of a large mine and the many pieces of equipment that are in that mine. Working with Visao has been really great. They were able to really create options for us to scroll many parts of the mines that we have solutions for. Working with our customers that come up to our booth, they are used to these kinds of devices. They're used to the ball mills, they're used to the screens. So we're speaking the same language as them. So we're actually able to click and really get to that device instantly for them to talk more about it. Challenges, solutions, and benefits, and even an image of the product that we are recommending for it do show up, and we're really able to customize it to the specific customer on where they work in the mine. All of the challenges that we see our customers facing and how we can help them, and then a product selection. It's been a really seamless experience here at the show.